Hello, everyone. Otis Brown here. Today, we're diving deep into a topic I believe is vital for anyone looking to secure their financial future: the importance of having multiple streams of income. But before we jump in, do me a favor. If you find value in today's video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out on more insights like this. So let's dive in. Here are 7 compelling reasons why you should be considering multiple streams of income. Number 1, financial security. Ever heard the saying, don't put all your eggs in one basket? Well, it's a timeless piece of advice. Relying on just one source of income is risky. If that stream dries up, you could be in a tight spot. By diversifying your income, you're not only protecting yourself, but also ensuring consistent cash flow even if one stream faces challenges. Number 2, faster wealth accumulation. Picture this: 2 streams flowing to a river will fill it faster than just one. The same logic applies to your finances. More streams mean more money, and more money means you can reach your financial goals faster, whether that's buying a home, traveling, or retiring early. Number 3, exploring new opportunities and passions. Ever wanted to turn a hobby into a business or invest in something you're passionate about? With multiple streams of income, you can. It's a chance to do what you love and earn from it too. Number 4, reducing financial stress. Money troubles can keep you up at night, but with diverse income sources, you will likely feel more at ease knowing you've got several ways money is coming in. It's like having a safety net. Taking calculated risk. Number 5. With only one income, the idea of taking risk feels, risky. But when you have several streams, you're in a better position to experiment. Want to try a new investment strategy? Now you can, because you're not betting the farm. Number 6, navigating economic uncertainty. The economy can be unpredictable, but with multiple streams of income, you are better prepared to weather any storm, whether it's a recession, industry shifts, or unexpected global events. Number 7, achieving financial independence. Relying on one job can sometimes feel like you're chained to it, but with multiple streams or income sources, you're on a path to financial independence. It's the freedom to make choices, not out of desperation, but out of aspiration. Now, you might be thinking, okay, Otis, these reasons sound great, but how do I start? Where do I find these multiple streams? That's where I come in. Reach out, and I'll guide you through some incredible opportunities to diversify your income. But remember, the journey to financial freedom begins with a single step. So let's take that step together. If you're ready to explore the possibilities of multiple streams of income, comment down below and I'll do my best to help. Before we wrap up, if you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss out on our next financial journey. Thank you for joining me today. I'm Otis Brown, and I am here to help you secure your financial future. Until next time, be well.